YouTube. Take 3.
Again.
Peace.
An almost empty box of candy.
Yeah. Almost. Cavities. Braces.
Not good.
Oh, we switched places.
Because we're awesome. I'm Cassie.
What? Oh, I'm Alicia. I mean, I'm Cloud.
You get that? Because Cloud pussy. I just killed it.
Look, see, I have Alicia. I mean, I have my phone.
And I have mine. Why is it lighting up? Cassie, why is it lighting up?
I thought I'm Alicia.
I mean Alicia.
See, it says your name too.
Yes.
Take you a while. Mine just says August 11th, 11:35.
And it's not backwards.
Yeah.
We thought it would be, but it wouldn't be. I'm gonna save a couple for my mom. So here. Oops. Tongues. No. I bit my tongue. Oh, I feel hungry.
It's hot.
Oh my god. That scared me.
Yummy. We're good. That's my mouth.
It's sugar.
Oh, it's okay. I know I'm sugary, huh?
Yeah.
I'm sweet.
You're sweet.
You're sweet.
Ow. Oh, my teeth are sore. Ow. It hurts.
Good night.